my vlog again. Today we're here at Pinoy Street Food in Malta and I'm going to try their food. So stay there guys and I'll show you what food they have and what prices they can give us. Okay, so this is their menu. So ayan guys, napaka-reasonable yung mga prices nila. Ayan, meron silang noodles, soup, starters, rice. Ayan, so this is Pinoy Street Food flavors from the Philippines. So ito yung itatry ko ngayon guys, yung weekly special nila, and that is 20 euro. So I think that's gonna be good for 2 people or more than that. So yeah, meron silang red horse. Ayan guys, so may red horse dito sa Malta. So, ayan, yung mga ano nila guys. Pangasinan. Sa ano, sa Bersibuja kami. Ayan, yun yung mga ano natin, mga cook, mga chefs. They're having their break time. So, I'm going to order now guys and we'll do the mukbang. Here it is guys. This is our 20 euro worth of food. So, we got 2 soup. We got stir-fried vegetables and we call that chop suey in the Philippines. We got fried chicken. We got 2 rice, spring rolls, and pancit. And of course, I have to add some rice because we love rice. So, are you ready guys? We're gonna start the mukbang now and yeah, I hope you enjoy it later. Yeah, we're gonna eat now.
Yeah.
So, look.
We got rice, chicken, pancit, stir-fried.
We're gonna eat and of course I'm waiting for the soup. OMG, my god, that's sarap-sarap. So this one is for Kuya Andre and Paris. So we got how many pieces of chicken? We got 6 pieces of chicken guys. And the pancit, and we got spring roll. Look at that. So, it's really worth the money to buy, actually it's 19.95 but sinabi ko na lang na 20 euro. Pero it's really a lot.
I don't want it.
So, we're going to start to eat now and stay there.
Can I use the rice for my hand? Can I use the rice for my hand? No. I don't have chicken. Can I have chicken?
You got soup a little bit there. Then, we're gonna have some chicken. So, today guys, yeah, while we eat, I'm gonna have some questions to them. So, who is who? Who is the most liar? Andre or Karen?
Me.
Oh. See, you know that guys. Okay, we're gonna start and then I will ask the chop suey, stir-fried vegetables.
This is chicken. And rice.
Chop suey is nice. So I will try yung ano nila guys, spring roll.
Chicken is
Katsuka
nice.
ata. Katsuka. Meron tayong sweet and sour.
Mommy, the best rice and chicken is nice.
Ang Kuya Andre ayaw niya magpa-video kaya nandun na lang siya.
Only me and Andre. Andre, my brother.
Ayan, nagkamay na siya guys. She's using her hands now. Is it nice, Kuya?
Awesome is nice.
Ayan guys, so may tubig siya. Dinalan ka na kasi makatubig siya.
We don't need to buy.
Ang Kuya Andrew namin, binata na, kaya ayaw na niya magpa-video. Diba Kuya?
Come on, Kuya, Diane.
Come on, eat more. We should finish this sauce sa mukbang.
Kuya, are you shy to go on the video?
Try the soup.
Yeah, I don't want to.
OMG, ang sarap.
Yang sarap.
Ang sarap ng soup, guys. Masarap siya.
Sarap, mami.
Ha?
Sarap. Good. Sarap.
Sarap?
Sarap is good.
Yeah. Sarap ng... Itatry natin guys yung pancit nila. Kasi, ano, Filipino love pancit. So we're trying their pancit. I think with the...
Last time we have a mukbang. This is the bowl.
pancit natin, kurahin natin. Ayan.
Ayan, kumusta yung food natin ate? Naman,
It's really worth it.
Yung
Yung
your food.
20 euro as in, really worth it.
Yung manok.
Manok, soy sauce.
Correct. Medyo ang hangyat ito yung soy sauce.
Ha?
Medyo ang hangyat ito.
Okay lang, kumakain din ng Korean mothers.
Perfect.
Filipino nagkakamay. Sabi nga niya, I'm using my
Yes, dapat lang.
So ayan guys, magpapaalam na kami ha kasi itong natitirang kinain namin is iti-take away namin. Kasi as in talaga napakarami. About 2 to 3 or 4 person mga buling kitang kasama natin. So, enjoy Paris. Say bye-bye to them. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Ayan. See you again on our next video guys. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe to our channel so you're gonna be updated to our next
Give us a
vlog.
lot of money.
Give us a lot of money. Ayan guys, salamat sa panonood. Ayan, bye-bye!